Namaste. My name is JVN Rishi Gautam from Department of Journalism. Today's topic is 10 tips for great job interviews. The first one is research the industry and company. Second is clarify your selling points and the reasons you want the job. Third is anticipate the interviewer's concerns and reservations. Next point is prepare for common interview questions. After that, line up your questions for the interviewer. Next is prepare, practice, practice, practice. Seventh one is score a success in the first 5 minutes. Next is get on the same side as the interviewer. 9 is be assertive and take responsibility for the interview. And 10th is be ready to handle illegal and inappropriate questions. Now we will discuss the first point, research the industry and company. An interviewer may ask how you perceive his company's position in its industry, who the firm's competitors are, what its competitive advantages are, and how it should best go forward. For this reason, avoid trying to thoroughly research a dozen different industries. Focus your job search on just a few industries instead. Next point is clarify your selling points and the reasons you want the job. Prepare to go into every interview with 3 to 5 key selling points in mind, such as what makes you the best candidate for the position. Have an example of each selling point prepared. I have good communication skills. For example, I persuaded an entire group to, and be prepared to tell the interviewer why you want that job, including what intrigues you about it, what rewards it offers that you find valuable, and what abilities it requires that you possess. If an interviewer doesn't think you are really interested in the job, he or she won't give you an offer no matter how good you are. Anticipate the interviewer's concerns and reservations. There are always more candidates for positions than there are openings. So interviewers look for ways to screen people out. Put yourself in their shoes and ask yourself why they might not want to hire you. I don't have this, I am not that, etc. Then prepare your defense. I know you may be thinking that I might not be the best fit for this position because, but you should know that reason the interviewer shouldn't be overly concerned. Fourth point is prepare for common viewing questions. Every how to interview book has a list of 100 or more common interview questions. You might wonder just how long those interviews are if there are that many common questions. So, how do you prepare? Pick any list and think about which questions you are most likely to encounter. Given your age and status, about to graduate, looking for a summer internship, then prepare your answer so you won't have to fumble for them during the actual interview. Line up your questions for the interviewer. Come to interview with some intelligent questions for the interviewer that demonstrate your knowledge of the company as well as your serious intent. Interviewers always ask if you have any questions, and no matter what, you should have one or two ready. If you say no, not really, he or she may conclude that you are not all that interested in the job or the company. A good all-purpose question is, if you could design the ideal candidate for this position from the ground up, what would he or she be like? If you are having a series of interviews with the same company, you can use some of your prepared questions and with each person you meet. For example, what do you think is the best thing about working here? And what kind of person would you most like to see fill this position? Then try to think of one or two others during the interview itself. Practice, practice, practice. It's one thing to come prepared with a mental answer to a question like, why should we hire you? It's another challenge entirely to say it out loud in a confident and convincing way. The first time you try it, you will sound garbled and confused, no matter how clear your thoughts are in your own mind. Do it another 10 times and you will sound a lot smoother and more articulate. Next point is, score a success in the first 5 minutes. Some studies indicate the interviewers make up their minds about candidates in the first 5 minutes of the interview and then spend the rest of the interview looking for things to confirm that decision. Next point is, get on the same side as the interviewer. Many interviews view job interviews as adversarial. Candidates are going to try to pry an offer out of the interviewer, and the interviewer's job is to hold on to it. Your job is to transform this tug of war into a relationship in which you are both on the same side. You could say something as simple as, I am happy to have the chance to learn more about your company and to let you learn more about me, so we can see if this is going to be a good match or not. Thank you.